Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to unstake meme from stakeland. So if you want to unstake right here, this is a different type of staking process right here in stakeland. So basically they're going to be giving out this so-called stakes, and you're going to have to attach your NFT and connect your wallet. So as you can see right here, you can stake a minimum of such right here. So you can stake like 1 or 69,000. So let's just place 1 right there. So for 1 stake, you will get stakes a week. So you can do that right here. So you have to connect your wallet and attach an NFT if you want to. And basically to just unstake it, you'll just have to unstake it. It's just that simple. But there's going to be a contract, of course, that you will have to wait for a certain period of time to get unstaken from stakeland right here. So I'm not familiar with this really. So if you're new to stakeland right here, you can hold NFT and get the N meme right here. So basically, by holding a meme land NFT in your wallet for 24 hours, you're staking a meme already, which is equal to 1 active meme. So it's pretty confusing right here. So there are different types of NFTs. Of course, you have to stake. So it's not necessarily a coin that you stake. It's an NFT that you stake right here. So the more meme you stake, the more stakes you get. And it's just going to be a airdrop that's going to be given to you. And we haven't seen much from them lately. But it looks promising. I like their website really that much. But I haven't heard from them in a long time already. So just keep on caution when staking and staking right here in stakeland. So just it's gonna be a button that's just gonna say unstake right here. If you have staken, just have to connect your wallet, of course, and verify the transaction.